welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a Google Pixel 6 phone. For this operation, we need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so that it first softens the dirt for you and then evaporates, leaving no trace behind. You can buy both the brush and the diffuser in a set like this on Allegro or Amazon, and the alcohol separately. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Before the operation, we always turn off the phone because we could damage it if we cleaned it while it was on. We press the power and volume down buttons together, or volume up and volume down together, to bring up the menu, and then we select power off. Once the device is completely turned off, we can go ahead and turn the phone onto its side, which gives us much better access to the internal components. Here we have something quite interesting to look at. I'll be sure to show you exactly what I mean in just a moment, so please stay tuned. Right here, in this narrow gap located between the frame and the glass, is where we have the speaker component. Since this area is prone to collecting dust, we really need to clean this part carefully. To do that, we will thoroughly dampen our cleaning brush with alcohol, making sure the bristles are nice and wet so we can effectively lift away the debris. We hold the phone with 2 fingers. And in one steady motion in one direction, we perform this movement 10-15 times so that the dirt moves to the very end of the speaker opening and then allows the brush to pull it out. 10-15 movements in one direction easily achieves this for us. Just don't do right, left, because then you're just moving the dirt around the speaker opening and you won't pull it out of the opening. After 10 to 15 repetitions, now we do exactly the same thing in the other direction, just performing the movements in one direction as well, and then the other part of the speaker, there at the end, where we didn't clean when we started from that side, will now be cleaned without any problem. It is best, if the speaker is very dirty, to repeat this operation 2 or 3 times in each direction, so 10 to 15 times in one direction, then 10 to 15 times in the other direction. Then again 10 to 15 times in the same direction as the first time. And then 10 to 15 times in the other direction. Then you will have a perfectly clean speaker that will work like new. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and then we can turn the phone on normally and use it as usual. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.